everyone. Today Sunday, September 3 and 5 p.m. I pick up Georgi from his apartment and we go into a Germany restaurant in Clarkton Hotel. Georgi never been in Clarkton Hotel and never eaten Germany restaurant in Clarkton Hotel. Perimeter Road bars. We just arrived at Clarkton Hotel and going to eat. Hey Georgi, let's go, because it's traffic. Away entrance is entrance. This is entrance to restaurant. Same, it's two-way. This entrance. This is Clarkton Hotel. I can show to you Clarkton Hotel lobby. Georgi, you can see lobby if you want. This is lobby. Tour also to Bataan, Subic. To Pinatuba, 4,500. Rent car. You can rent car also. This rent car. This is lobby. Good afternoon. Also have free shuttle. Sam Clark and Walking Street, you can see. Oh, Georgi already with menu. Okay, show menu. Here. Oh, so many pizza, many kind of pizza. I will faster because if too lot use pause. Okay, first I will order and take video outside also. We will sit outside because fresh air here. This is rooms. Coconut. Georgi, where you want to sit?
Where? Table.
Not problem, I will clean. It's okay. If start rain, we can move to another table. Up to you, we can sit here also. Our foods in Clarkton restaurant. This is chicken fillet with mashed potato and 2 egg. Georgi have same.
Yes.
We pay for this menu. It's 375 peso only. It's not expensive. Also regular water and Clarkton restaurant.